every nutritionist talks about gut health, probiotics, right? Everyone's probiotics, 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 which are really important to gut health. But it's not just about probiotics. It's about the food that you eat and the food that you don't eat. So a lot of people eat fast food, or they eat in restaurants and things like that all the time. When you're doing that, you're eating a lot of preservatives, and you're eating a lot of foods that are not whole foods. So they don't have all of the phytochemicals and the fiber and all of the wonderful things that nature puts in the food that we take out of the food. And that can dramatically affect your digestion, and even probiotics to a point will not be able to help you with that. And then there's food allergies as well, and not being able to, or not having enough B12 in your diet, or not having enough intrinsic factor that your intestine makes to create B12 in your body as well, and not having enough B12 can also affect your ability to digest and cause digestion pain, and having things like lactose intolerance can also cause digestive problems. Having digestive diseases like celiac disease and Crohn's disease can affect your digestion as well. So of course, with celiac disease, you're taking the gluten out of your diet. But also, people who have celiac disease like me are very sensitive to lactose and to food preservatives like MSG. I cannot have monosodium glutamate. I'm super allergic to that. So it's not just about probiotics. It's about the food you eat, and eating whole foods, eating a lot of vegetables, and eating a lot of variety. Eating a lot of variety will help your gut microbe, which is bacteria. We're mostly bacteria more than we are DNA. So having really good bacteria in your gut helps your digestion, as well as things like chewing your food well, not being stressed out when you're eating, not eating before bed, which can cause acid reflux, cause your digestion to slow down, and even give you ulcers in your throat. So the way to good digestion, to good gut health, is to eat a variety of different foods, to see a doctor if you're having any symptoms of celiac disease or Crohn's disease, like a lot of pain and diarrhea, rashes, flatulence, anything like that. That could be lactose. You could have a problem with not having enough B12. So it's really important to see a doctor and have a really good markup as well, and have all of those things checked by a doctor, who will then lead you to a nutritionist, someone like me. But so it's about your overall health and everything that you are eating overall that affects your digestive health, not just taking probiotics. And there's a lot of all these different probiotic blends and things like that, that you can take that are really good and really beneficial, especially after you've taken antibiotics, which can really strip your good gut bacteria. It's really important to take a probiotic powder or a capsule or blend. And then if you're like me, you have celiac disease, where sometimes I will get cross transfer without meaning to, and then I will take a probiotic capsule. But I take kefir every day in a protein shake. I also eat a lot of yogurt, and I love beans. They have to be cooked very well. Refried beans are especially really good. Beans and lentils and things like that create a really great floral bacterial growth in your intestine, which helps your digestion. So sometimes when I get a really bad bout of celiac cross transfer, which happens because I have family members that can eat wheat, so I will get cross transfer from them, not just in a restaurant, but I'll take a probiotic. I'll eat some beans. I also take some electrolytes, and because I have a digestive disorder, I always take a multivitamin, and omega-3s also really help everything in your body. They help your nervous system, they help your cardiovascular system, and they help your digestive system. So it's not just probiotics that you need. It is really watching what you eat, whole foods, cooking at home more, slowing down on the fast foods. They should just be a rarity. They should just be a treat. Eating out should just be a treat. Just really becoming aware and conscious of what you're eating and when you're eating it. So don't eat it. Don't eat at night. Don't eat huge amounts of food as well, because that will overload your digestive system too.